In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close your Zoho account. Before we get started, I just want to emphasize how important it is to be absolutely sure about this decision. Closing your account will result in the loss of data associated with Zoho, and this action cannot be reversed. So make sure you've backed up any data you might need later. Now let's dive in. First, you'll need to log into your Zoho account. Head over to the Zoho login page at accounts.zoho.com. If you have saved your login details, you can enter your email and password to access your account. In case you have any trouble remembering your login credentials, there's always the option to reset your password. Once you've successfully logged in, you're ready to proceed. After logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll see your profile picture or your name displayed. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear, and from this menu, you're going to select the option that says My Account. This will take you to a new screen where you'll be able to manage various aspects of your Zoho account. On the My Account page, look to the left side of your screen, where you will find a menu with several options. Here, you'll need to click on Settings. It's key to note that the layout might vary slightly due to updates or different versions, but you should be able to find the Settings option without too much trouble. Once you're in the Settings section, seek out the option that reads Close Account. This is a crucial step, as once you click Close Account, the process to confirm the deletion begins. Zoho will guide you through a few on-screen instructions. Be prepared to provide a reason for your account closure, as this information helps companies like Zoho improve their services. Follow the prompts carefully. If at any point you're unsure or wish to cancel the operation, remember that you can back out before final confirmation. However, once you confirm your deletion, your account and data will be permanently erased. To cap off, it's always a good idea to double-check that you no longer need anything from your Zoho account before completing the deletion. Once you've confirmed and finished the process, you can rest easy knowing your account closure was successful. I recommend keeping an eye on your email just in case Zoho sends a final confirmation of your account's closure. That's all for closing your Zoho account. I hope this guide has been helpful and straightforward. Make sure to revisit this video if you need a refresher or get stuck at any point. Thank you for watching, and if you have any more questions, feel free to reach out or consult Zoho's support resources. Take care.